Alright guys, how many times have you gone and gotten something from Duncan Hines? Wondered, hey, who is this Duncan Hines? Well, today guys, I'm going to take you on an adventure. We're going to go find out more about Mr. Duncan Hines. Go check out his grave site. And I'm going to make a Duncan Hines dark chocolate fudge cake here on Coastin' and Traveling. Alright guys, so we've made it to the Kentucky Museum. This is on the campus of Western Kentucky University. And we're going to go in and look at this Duncan Hines exhibit. Explain a little more about the man. Alright guys, this whole exhibit is here at the Kentucky Museum, like I said. And look at this. Hello, Mr. Hines. How are you today? Hubs and I have been reading about him, and he has a lot of different things he has been associated with. Travel, of course, the baked goods guys. And he had ice cream. 1948 to 1955. Look at all these old Duncan Hines. Look at the way that it's changed. So I am going to insert some videos right now so you guys can see about Mr. Duncan Hines. I did not even know that he had his own china, guys. His own china? What? You see a lot of ceramic pigs around. I'll kind of go over the kitchen area again, guys, but close friends sent Duncan Hines ceramic pigs as gifts, and he would use these pigs to decorate his dining room. That's pretty cool. All right, we are now at Fairview Cemetary, that is here in Bowling Green, and this is Duncan Hines' final resting place. And this is where the whole Hines family is buried. All right. And this is the final resting place for Mr. Duncan Hines. The whole family is buried, as you can see, all the family plots. We thank you, Mr. Hines, for all the contributions that you gave to all of us. All right, I have made the Duncan Hines perfectly moist dark chocolate fudge. I'm about to put it in the pan, and we will be using the Duncan Hines Dolly Parton creamy chocolate buttercream. Let's get this in the pan. And here is the final product. Guys, before I dig into this delicious cake, on this vlog, we have learned a lot. We have learned a lot about Mr. Duncan Hines, the history, his story. We got to honor him at his final resting place. And we got to, because of him, bake a delicious dark chocolate fudge cake. So, all in all, learned a lot, and I hope you did too. As Coastin' and Traveling always tells you, love what you do what you love. Keep on coasting, keep on traveling, and definitely keep on eating Duncan Hines cake. See ya.